Hello and welcome to English Mike. If you know these 50 phrases, you can speak English in any situation. These are not from textbooks. These are real phrases that native speakers use every single day. Make sure to watch until the end because one phrase in particular sounds very simple but will make your speech sound truly natural. Let's begin. Living in an English-speaking country, you hear the same useful phrases every day in shops, with friends, and at work. Textbooks often don't teach this real living English, so you might understand a lot, but when you speak, you can sound a bit formal. Today, we will fix that. Let's start. Our first group is greetings and small talk. How's it going? This means, how are you? But it's much more friendly and casual. Long time no see. This means, I haven't seen you for a long time. People use it all the time. What's up? This is like saying, hello, how are you, what is new, all in one. Very casual. Good to see you. Say this when you already know the person. It means, I am happy to see you. And don't forget to smile. How have you been? We ask this when we see someone not for the first time, but maybe after some time. It means, how have you been doing? Now, let's move to our second group, keeping the conversation going. Really? Say this to show you are interested. No way. This is an emotional reaction. Say it when you hear something surprising. You're kidding! This also means you are surprised. That's awesome! This is a positive reaction. It means that's great. I know, right? Say this when you completely agree with someone. It's very natural and friendly. Our next group is about being polite and making requests. Could you help me out? This is a polite way to ask for help. Do you mind if This is a very soft way to ask for something. It means, is it a problem if I'd appreciate it. This means, I would be thankful. That would be great. This is a friendly way to say yes, thank you, to an offer. Thanks anyway. Say this when someone cannot help you, but you still want to thank them. Now let's practice clarifying and understanding. Sorry, I didn't catch that. This is a polite way to say, I didn't hear you. What do you mean? Use this when you hear the words, but you don't understand the meaning. I'm not sure I follow. This means, I don't completely understand your idea. Could you say that again? A soft way to ask someone to repeat something. Got it. A simple, natural way to say, I understand. Now, let's learn about agreeing and disagreeing. Exactly. This is a natural way to say, I agree completely. Fair enough. This is a soft agreement. It means, okay, that's logical. I see your point. This means, I understand what you are saying. I'm not sure about that. A calm way to disagree. You might be right. This is a soft thing to say. It means maybe you are correct. Next up, daily actions. On my way. This means I am coming. I just woke up. This means I woke up very recently. I'm heading home. This means I am going home now. Let's grab some coffee. This means let's drink coffee together. Grab is much more natural than drink here. I'll be right back. This means I will return very soon. Let's talk about making plans. What time works for you? This means when is a good time for you? Let's catch up later. This means let's talk or meet later. Sounds good to me. This means that is a good plan for me. I'll check my schedule. This means I will look at my calendar. Let's make it happen. This means let's do it. Now for opinions and reactions. In my opinion, this is a classic way to give your opinion. I guess so. This is a hesitant agreement. That makes sense. This means that is logical. That's a good point. This is a polite way to acknowledge someone's idea. It shows you are listening. I suppose so. This is similar to I guess so. It means you somewhat agree, but maybe not 100%. No doubt about it. This is a strong and confident way to say you completely agree with something. It means this is definitely true. Our final groups are emotions, support, and ending a conversation. For emotions and support, don't worry, I got you. This means do not stress. I will help you. Take it easy. This can mean relax or don't worry. You did great. This means you did a very good job. It happens. This means it's okay. It's normal. I am proud of you. A very important phrase. You make me proud. And finally, how to end a conversation naturally. Anyway, I've got to go. This means, okay, I need to leave now. Talk to you soon. This means we will speak again soon. Have a good one. We say this all the time. It means have a good day. Take care. This is a warm way to say goodbye. It means look after yourself. So just imagine you are in a new country and you start talking to people without pauses, without fear. This feeling comes when you don't just know phrases, but you can connect them into live speech. These 50 phrases are your first step. Practice them, use them, and you will speak more confidently. Thank you so much for watching. This was Mike from English Mike. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you next time.